Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, we are starting with the another sum of admission of partner. Question number 4. Following is the balance sheet of Harish and Girish 31st March 2010. Asset cash 37,000 is given. Stock 21,000 is given. Debtors 46,000, deduct RDD 6,000 equals to 40,000. Equipment 12,000, furniture 25,000, plant 85,000, 1,20,000. Building is given. Liability creditor is given 38,000, bills payable 46,000, profit and loss 16,000, and capital of Harish 1 lakh, Girish 1,40,000 equals to total 2,40,000 is the capital. They admitted Shirish on 1st April 2010 on the following condition. Number 1. For his 1/3 share in the future profit, Shirish brings rupees 2 lakh as his capital. Number 2. It is decided to raise goodwill by 90,000 and write it off fully after Shirish admission. Here is the goodwill, another method of goodwill. Here it is mentioned that raise of goodwill. We will learn about the raise of goodwill. Okay. Number 3. Equipment plant depreciate by 20 and 10% respectively. Building to be appreciated by 15%. Number 4. Bills payable were retired for 35,000. Debtors, all debtors are considered good. Number 5th and number 6th is furniture of book value 12,000 was taken over by Harish at 40% of the book value. We have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital and balance sheet of the new firm. So prepare the ledger, that is revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Okay, we are starting with this sum. Step 1, we will enter from the balance sheet to the new balance sheet. Okay, the number 1 is cash in hand is given 37,000. So we can mention cash in hand directly in the balance sheet also, but as there will be some changes in cash, for the same we have to prepare a working account, ledger account for cash. Okay, so working cash account I have prepared. On the debit side we will mention to balance brought down, the value is 37,000. Okay, after cash stock is given 21,000. We will mention in asset column stock, inner column we will note down 21,000 as there will be a adjustment, leave one line. Okay, as there is no adjustment for the stock, we can mention directly outer column stock. Now another debtors is given, so 46,000 we will note here and leave one line for the adjustment. After that equipment is given 12,000, inner column leave one line. Same for the furniture, value is 25,000, as adjustment is there, leave one line. Plant value is 85,000, adjustment is there. Building value is 1,25,000, leave one line as there is an adjustment. Now come to the liability side. The liability creditor is given 38,000. So leave some line for the capital, as there are 3 partners in a new balance sheet. So Harish, Girish and Sirish. Leave 3 line. for capital account. Okay, the result will be afterward, and then we can mention for the creditor, as there is no adjustment for the creditor, mention the value at outer column. After that, bills payable is given, adjustment is there relating bills payable, so mention in inner column 46,000, leave two line according to the adjustment. Profit and loss is given 16,000. The profit and loss is of old partner Harish and Girish. It should be transferred to the partner's capital account according to their share. As the sharing ratio of old partner of Harish and Girish is not mentioned, we will assume that they are equal partner. Okay, so profit and loss account of balance sheet will be transferred to partner's capital account. Liability is a credit side, we will transfer to partner's capital credit side. Leave one line for the capital or directly mentioned by balance brought down, and after that by profit and loss account. The value of profit and loss is given 16,000. So 16,000 divided by 2 equals to 8,000 each. It will be given in the account of Harish and Girish, 8,000. Okay, and the capital of Harish and Girish transferred to the partner's capital account by balance brought down, 1 lakh Harish and 1,40,000 Girish. After transferring the old balance sheet to the new balance sheet and the partner's capital account, the second step we will start with the adjustment given in a question. As admitted Shirish on 1st April 2010, the number 1/3 share in future profit, Shirish brings 2 lakh as his capital. So we will note down the same as capital brought by Shirish as a cash. So the entry will be mentioned in a cash account to Shirish capital account rupees 2 lakh. The first effect will be here in a cash account debit side to Shirish capital account. Cash account debit what comes in. Who brought the capital in the name of cash? Shirish, to Shirish capital account. Shirish is a person, according to rule Shirish is the giver. This 2 lakh. Second effect will become to the partner's capital account credit side by cash account rupees 2 lakh. Okay. Question number 2. Decide to raise goodwill by 90,000. So raise of goodwill means to present goodwill in a book. So there will be no cash brought by the particular new partner, that is Shirish. Only the goodwill will be raised in a book. It will mention in a book. If it will be maintained in a book, so it can be present in a asset side. But as in this question, the goodwill will be raised in a book, and after that it will be write off fully after Shirish admission. So we will not mention in a asset column. Now directly we will note the particular entry which already we have learned in a previous sum, that is partner's capital account. We will mention by goodwill account, by goodwill account. The value is 90,000 of goodwill. 90,000 divided by 2, it will be 45,000 each. This will mention in old partners column. Okay, according to the rule, goodwill account 45,000 in the column of Harish and 45 in the column of Girish. as in a question